Hey y'all, and welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight to it. Now, last week we did cover the basics for eyeliner and mascara for our beginners. This week I felt like, why not bring another video for my beginners? Okay. We're gonna cover the basics of foundation. There are three types. I did hold up three hands. Yeah, three fingers. There are three types of coverages when it comes to foundation: light, medium, and full coverage foundation. Formulas? That's a different story.
There are a gamut of formulas. You have your liquid, you have stick, you have cream, you have pop, you have several.
When it comes to formulas, okay? For me, I'm going to tell you the most important part of makeup application for me is going to always be
Skincare.
Skin prep and skincare are most important when it comes to makeup application. So don't ever skip that step. Make sure that you do it. I've done it today. Back to the coverages. I do have a detailed video on how to choose the right foundation that I did almost 2 years ago. It's a part of an 8-part series. It's number 3.
It's about 4 minutes long, so don't let that intimidate you. Don't let it being a part of a series intimidate you.
But it does cover each and every single foundation that I could find and research on the internet. And I gave it to you to tell you how they function, what they do. So if you are unaware, you don't know, that would be a great place to start for you. After that, I came back and I showed you a step-by-step on how to apply the foundation. And I did that in mixing drugstore and prestige products. So you can take a look at that video as well. So those are 2 videos just to start off with, kind of get you kind of up to date and up to speed if that's where you need to be. Let's get into this coverage foundation video. My first one is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Skin Filter. And this one has a doe foot on it. Listen to that sound. Okay, so remember, light coverages put you in the mindset of
skin tints, BB creams, CC creams. They just give you
the most skin-like coverage that there is, okay? It's for a person that pretty much likes a subtle makeup look. Look here at my mole on my face, and you'll probably notice that it won't cover it up. So look at the one on my forehead. It's just a skin tint, so I don't expect for it to make it go away. See? It didn't make it like completely go away. It just evened me out. So any type of red spots, if you suffer from red spots, if you suffer from any type of skin pigmentation issues, this will basically even you out. Quick throw on and go. Oh, and in addition to this Halo Glow skin tints, you want to see a full review where I did wear the actual Halo Glow by itself, and then I went ahead and mixed it with some actual foundation so that you can see both how it looks with and without foundation and how long I wore it for. You can check out my e.l.f. Halo Glow video for that one. All right, y'all. All right, let's move on to medium. So now it's time for the medium coverage foundation, which y'all know I'm going to use the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I live between a medium and a full coverage foundation. This shade I normally mix with another shade, but I work with my foundations because I'm learning from Minna that I don't have to send them back. I can actually work with them, okay? This one, to me, it's a liquid. It is in a liquid form, as you just saw, but it feels more like a cream to me. And I think that's because it is more so of a matte finish, okay? So remember what I told you about finishes. They're all different and there's a gamut of them. Listen, for my babes that are going to go out there and try a medium coverage foundation, just remember that medium coverage foundations are buildable, okay? You can build it up to pretty much a full coverage if you like, if you want that. but you can also sheer it down, which means, so basically you can take that sheer tint that I just used on the light coverage and you can add just a smidget of the medium to it, and then you can get you a good mix of medium, basically. And that will make you a sheared down medium coverage type of foundation. And you may like that. You may like to be in between, where you're not so medium, you're not so sheer, but you're just that in between, babe, and that's okay. You can do that. So remember, makeup is what you make it. That kind of gives it almost like a different category, where you have your light, your medium, and your medium, and then you go into your full. But baby, we just doing it because I just made that up. I made medium up. You know what I'm saying? Hey, are y'all here for medium? All my medium babes, y'all drop me a heart below. Let me know. Lord have mercy. After another phone call. But yeah, like I was saying, if you are a medium babe, drop me a comment below. Drop me a little heart. Drop me a little medium and let me know. All right. So yeah, on to our full coverage babes. I'm living in full coverage too, y'all. So, okay. And last but not least, babes, is the full coverage foundation. And you know I'm going to be using my MAC. Gotta love her, right? And I'm using my It brush to put it on. I ain't say no other brush. Every other brush has been my LA Girl Pro Conceal, by the way, just so you know. Yeah. Full coverage, full coverage, full coverage. Okay, babe, so here it is. When you get ready to go pick up full coverage foundation, just know that it is still buildable, just like the medium coverage foundation. There is no in between. There's no mixing the medium with the full to get a full or something like that. No, there's none of that. You can build up your full coverage foundation to get a more fuller coverage if you like. If you have more skin issues that you're looking to cover, you can do that. However, most of the time when we see people with full coverage foundation on, it's typically on television, or when people get ready to do a photo session, you'll see individuals put on a real full coverage makeup look. Full coverage makeup was synonymous with cakey, which was synonymous with unattractive at a particular point. You know, if you wore it all day long, you just knew your makeup was not going to look good at a certain period. However, now brands have become more aware, and so they have started to put more skincare ingredients inside of their makeup. And I do see a lot more full coverage foundations, well, a lot more foundations in general, adding skincare ingredients into their foundation. That's a good move for brands, because we care more now about our skin, especially since 2020 has happened and people started to not wear makeup and begin to look more to skincare. So coming out of that, skincare is important. So hey, take notice to what's going on in the world, right? High-end brands aren't the only brands that are good full coverage makeup. You can find regularly priced drugstore brands that have very good skincare ingredients inside of their full coverage makeup, i.e. L'Oreal, CoverGirl, Maybelline. It doesn't have to be expensive in order for it to be 1, full coverage, in order for it to be 2, good coverage. Did I say that already? Probably did. Sorry. But what I meant was, it doesn't have to be expensive for it to be a great product. Just know that, okay? With that being said, you should definitely check out my video. Is MAC still that girl? Because I do use this foundation with all of the MAC products to show you a full coverage look. Check it out. Check it out now. I'm just saying, check it out. I hope this video clears up any type of confusion when you get ready to walk into the store and purchase your next foundation. If you have any questions or any comments, make sure you leave them below. Let me know, because I will answer them. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right. Bye-bye for now.